In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use two blox fruits at once on PC, mobile, PlayStation 4, and Xbox. So as you might be aware, you can easily consume any blox fruit. All that you have to do is equip it and use it. Immediately upon using it, you will learn a new skill set, a new move set, and you will gain its powers. However, what about two blox fruits at once? I want to make it very clear that normally it is not possible to do this. So if you are playing normally without using glitches, this isn't going to be a possibility. It is impossible to use two blox fruits at once. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about a glitch that you can use. This will only work with specific fruits, including the Buddha fruit. Other fruits that might also work, including the falcon as well. This glitch works because these fruits will give you something special. For example, the Buddha will resize you, which will make you very big, and the falcon fruit will give you wings. By equipping either of these fruits first and then choosing a permanent fruit that you have, you are able to retain the original ability. So when you are big with Buddha or whenever you have the falcon wings, and by going over to your permanent fruits and choosing the equip option repeatedly, you will be able to equip the new fruit, so you will get the moveset from the fruit that you equipped, but you will keep the original size or the wings from the other fruits. So what you have to do is choose equip as fast as you can. If you are on PC, it is actually recommended to use an auto clicker because you have to click this as fast as you can while you have the Buddha fruit or other fruits like the falcon fruit equipped. So you click over and over again. Of course, you are going to get a bunch of errors. However, eventually you will switch into the new fruit that you are auto-clicking on while still keeping the original Buddha fruit effect or the falcon fruit effect. Now, because this is a glitch, there is no guarantee that it is still going to work. This was discovered more than a year ago, so it's very possible that it was patched already. Because normally you cannot use two fruits during the time that I'm recording this video. Maybe they change it in the future, but right now it is completely impossible. The only way that you can equip two blox fruits and use their movesets at once is by using this glitch. And like I said before, it is extremely specific. You need one out of two or more fruits. If you know more of them, please let me know in the comment section below. And after you have them equipped and you have the ability active, spam equip on any other permanent fruit that you have, and you might be able to change into the new fruits moveset while still keeping the original one visually. I hope I was able to help you on how to use two blox fruits at once on PC, mobile, PlayStation 4, or Xbox. If this video answered any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.